Today in What Done Did Blowed Up, it dat. So back on January 1st while I was driving the car around, I noticed there was a power hole somewhere in the bend. I hadn't been feeling before. Well, yesterday I kind of found out what it was.
Hey there, kitty. Aren't you supposed to be an indoor cat?
So the car has about 1,000 miles on it, and the cat decided that it wanted to come apart and shoot itself out the exhaust. Less than ideal. Doing once over, there's some leaks, some other stuff. I've torn the exhaust off, but let's take a look inside this canister. Oh, look at that. There's literally nothing in the cat. It's all gone down the tube. First solution would be to order a new exhaust from GBS. That's going to take forever. And the second option is I can order a 200 cell race cat. That's a big pain in the ass because I can't buy that in California. I have to go outside of California, buy it, bring it back, install it. Crow. Third option is I just chisel the cat out. The only piece of emissions equipment that the car needs to have is a PCV valve. I like having the cat. It's kind of nice. It makes the car not smell like gas all the time. Long term, I don't know what I'm going to do. Short term, I'm obviously just going to chisel the cat out and send it.